Hey guys, it's Javad. I'm at Axpona in Schaumburg, Illinois, and I was just in the SB Satori room. I stole Bo's key, Bo from SB Acoustics. And here we are, I'm at his room. So there's a rumor about this new Satori Dome Mid. I want to find out about it. See if we can get this door open. There we go. All right, let's see what we got here. Looking for a Dome Mid. Let's see, got some clothes, some shirts, smart eyes. Looks like someone's been dining in. Ooh. Looks like a Hemi. Whoa. That looks like it could be a speaker of some kind. Let's see. Some kind of resonance chamber. Got some terminals over here. Ooh! That looks like a Dome Mid. The one-of-a-kind Satori 2.5-inch Dome Mid. Let's see here. Wow. First I thought this was like spaceship, Star Trek, like a Star Wars android of some kind, but this is the new Dome Mid. I don't know much about it other than I want to use it. So, yeah, more info to come. I don't know if I'll tell Bo I have this or not. I mean, they can make more, right? So, should be good. It's just... All right, I'll keep you guys posted later.